Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video on our channel, and this video are going to talk about the TCS and Accenture ongoing hirings coding examination parts. So there were some problems everyone was facing, and also there is an issue with the difficulty of the coding questions. So we're going to see and talk all about that in this video. But before moving on, if you are new to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel from the description box link, and also make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing, because we post multiple hiring, onboarding and interview updates every day regularly. Make sure not to miss out. So first of all, if we don't know, we have been posting about all the Accenture and TCS ongoing hiring updates, exam, interview experience, everything we have been posting every day. So you can check those videos. If you don't follow our channel, make sure to click on the bell icon for getting every notification. And if you're waiting for interview, we have posted every interview experience, preparation guide and all for both of these hirings, and we have made different separate playlist. I will add those playlist link in the description. You can check from there. Now let's come to the coding part. So for codings also, we have posted some sample videos with coding questions and solutions. So these are some questions, but majority questions. Let's talk about one by one. First, let's start talking about the Accenture. For Accenture, the coding questions difficulty level is totally random. For some batches, the coding question difficulty level is suppose 5 out of 100, and for some batches it is 90 out of 100. So this is the difficulty level is difference for multiple slots. So how you are going to judge candidates based on this? Because some candidates are getting questions from greedy algorithm and other tougher algorithms like that, and some other batches are getting questions where they just have to add two numbers or subtract two numbers. So this is the problem with Accenture. This is the discrimination with Accenture. How you are going to judge two candidates? One candidate is getting coding questions like they have to just add two numbers and give the output, or the subtract two numbers and give the output, and some candidates are getting questions too high level or too difficult for them. So you cannot judge these two candidates based on same like number of test cases passed and all, right? Even if they are passing the adding or subtracting questions getting students, if they are passing all the test cases and someone with greedy algorithm is passing one test case also, they are having more knowledge than these students. So you have to understand, you cannot judge students based on that if the coding questions are totally on different levels. TCS NQT also going on, but there is a very less discrimination like that. Almost for all the phases, the questions are on similar level. Okay, for 1-2 cases might be there is a easy question, but almost for all the cases the questions are on difficult level. TCS NQT in coding questions were on intermediate level. Okay, on intermediate or more than intermediate level. Okay, so it was not on an easy level, so it was not easy questions for TCS NQT. First of all, keep that in mind. There might be 1-2 separate cases where the questions were easy, but for most of the cases questions were not easy. Also, what makes it more difficult to coding in the TCS is their environment. Okay, where they are writing the code, there is a very bad environment, because sometimes they don't even show what error is there in the code. So like for any programmer, whenever we are writing a code, we cannot write a perfect code on one go. Okay, we have to compile, check some compile time error or some runtime error, some logical error, whatever error it is, we get to know about it from the compilation messages or results and all like that. Okay, but the compiler messages and all in the TCS NQT exam environment is very bad, so you cannot even read and understand what the compiler message is saying. So you cannot fix the compilation error and all. So this is going to be a very bad experience. Now though they have increased the time limit, but earlier it was a very short time, unless and until you just know the perfect answer already. So that's the issue about the coding questions in both the companies they are facing. So candidates are also facing this type of discriminations and also issues in the examination of our coding. So if you have faced anything like that, you can comment down, or so that's it. If you have any queries, you can also comment on it.